at that smile. Look at that smile. Come on this way.
Come on.
Come on this way. All right.
Yeah. Good morning. You trying to get some crackers? Today's task is to convert Jody's bed. Not necessarily convert it, but basically take the front part off. Okay, so I'm going to take this part off and then lower his bed to the lowest setting because he's been climbing out of the bed. And then while London was gone at Nana's house, he slept in her bed and he slept really, really good. And for the last 3 days, he has been jumping out of his bed over, like, climbing out of his bed to come in our room, like, to wake us up or whatever he want to do. So, I'm just going to take this off. But I'm looking for the little thing that stick inside of here that take these off. So I can take this front piece off. I haven't decided whether or not I'm going to keep the drawer. That is what today holds for us, is to get this off so we can stop jumping out of the bed. We didn't do anything yesterday except I worked yesterday and Landon worked. Then we went to Pocono and picked up London, and then we came home and went to sleep. So literally nothing happened yesterday. Today is my family's family reunion. I doubt I go. But so I don't know. We might go to Landon's mom's house if she barbecues. It's supposed to rain all day today, but so far it hasn't come, so I don't know.
I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we could be true, we could be true. I want you to see what I see in us. Something so real, something so real. I want you to see that this is a love that we both feel, that we both feel. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying. It's terrifying. That we're meant to be. We're meant to be. It's a losing game, it's a losing game. But this time it's more than another love war. This ain't the same, this ain't the same. They say love heals all, it makes it all alright.
And here go his bed. I decided not to lower it because I don't think he'll like it low to the ground. No, it's Jody's bed. I kind of like really want to take this back part out, but I don't think it'll be stable enough, London, without it. And I don't even think I can. No, you can't even take the back part out and have the Italian sausage and steak. Come on.
Come on, London.
Nana is barbecuing today, so we came into. All they got is mild, sweet. Oh, here go hot. More hot or classic? Oh. Firecracker. My bad. My bad. That's it. We need buns. T-bone for $6 and they get one of these. I mean, get a $7 T-bone for then a $6 ribeye. I'm gonna eat burgers.
What?
So I'm gonna eat burgers.
You got burgers?
Your mama got burgers, don't she?
I guess.
Lord Jesus, we just.
Here. Oh, I thought she was outside.
Taste it.
Here, Joe. You want an Oreo?
You want to taste one?
You want an Oreo? Why they gotta be double stuff?
There is.
Oreo. Look how much ice cream there.
You like it?
Huh?
Give me one. We found these at Kroger. I'm sure they got them at Walmart because Walmart be having all the Oreos. But these, they got Pop Rocks in the Oreo.
Man ain't do nothing.
Yeah, you couldn't tell? Somebody said you could taste
I love
it.
sugar in my mouth too.
When I first seen it, Jennifer from Organized Like Jen.
You probably did. But
She said
I
she was here.
can feel my mouth. Ain't nothing problem. Nothing. There you go. Like when you chew
You gotta
it.
bite it.
Uh-huh.
You gotta bite it.
But it ain't like how I thought it was gonna be like how real Papa Rocks feel.
Mine is like it with the cookie as I'm
You
chewing
can
it.
feel it like a little sizzle.
Yeah.
Nah. Like if you just do a bag of Pop Rocks.
You got the wrong one. It's like all back in here.
Let me go get these games real quick.
Hey, yeah.
Oh shit, this is this thing door. Oh, where Mr. Coleman coming from?
Where we just came from.
With all them damn bags.
What's up, man?
Huh?
Huh? What's up?
He wants some money?
What's up?
So, I went to work today, clearly, because I got my green shirt on. And it's the only shirt I brought out the house with me, other than my undershirt, because I ran out with the undershirt on. But I worked, then I met my mom and the kids at Frisch's for breakfast. Now with the car wash, what you seen, because I washed the car. And I'm waiting on them to pull up so we can drive the car off. And then we're going to head back home. But yeah, I hope you're enjoying this weekend roundup so far. Okay, so I'm back home. Jody fell asleep on our way home. I came in and I went straight back to washing my hair because I actually got the first order in the middle of me washing my hair. But today I finally broke out the trio. Let me turn the light on so I can see. The trio is the first I used the caramel, like deep. It says caramel deep reconstruction treatment. It's like a deep treatment before you wash it. You do this first. Let this sit for a half an hour to an hour. And then you shampoo twice with the deep penetrating treatment shampoo. And then you condition with the Silk Protein conditioner. And you let that sit for however long you want. So I'm going to let that sit for a half an hour. I'm going to let it sit on here a half an hour. I got it in a shower cap, and then I covered my head with my towel. So it can hold a little heat in there while it's conditioning for this half an hour. By the time this gets done conditioning, Mama should be back with London, and Lena should be here from work. And I have to go find shoes today. I have to find shoes for graduation tomorrow, as well as shoes for vacation, because I have no shoes. I think I need to go over one more. Shoes for tomorrow. I mean, I also need sandals.
That's what I thought you was looking at.
Sandals?
Yeah.
You like these?
It ain't about what I like.
Well, it ain't that one I like. It's about what you like. I ain't got red. See what sizes they were.